Normally when you're welding pipes, you're using these plugs for purging. We invented a new system where you can save a lot of gas and a lot of time, so we don't need these anymore. Please come have a look. This is the brand new system, the Purge Master system. The Purge Master system is two main parts with magnets and a gas cup. The gas cup fits all sizes of pipes and can easily be changed. So this is for a 350mm pipe. If you have a 260mm pipe, you just change the discs and then you're ready to weld. So as you see, this system works amazing. And it also works on your systems. It works on positioners and turntables, and you can even weld manually with this system. So if you want more information, please go to our homepage. Thank you for watching.